YouTube's Incognito Mode is a handy feature that allows you to watch videos without leaving a trace in your search history or affecting your recommendations. It's a useful option for those times when you want to maintain privacy while browsing or if you're sharing your device with others. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to enable and disable Incognito Mode on YouTube, ensuring your video watching experience is discreet and secure. Open your YouTube app. Go on YouTube by clicking on your profile picture in bottom right corner. Up here, click on Incognito Mode. Now you are in Incognito Mode. To turn it off, go on YouTube again. And now just click Turn Off Incognito Text. That would be all for this short tutorial. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.